Welcome again to Budget with Brian. We've spoken about air staplers before. I'm going to speak about an air stapler again. This one I've been using just recently with these staples because I've been making a trellis. This tool, 30 or 40 pounds, but when you've got a job like this, absolutely value for money. And all you've got to do, get the gun down there, fire, look at that. Absolutely perfect, nearly. that one could have gone home a little bit better. Let's do it again. Do one, hit. Ready? There we go. Not pumped up enough. But, I think I've proved the point. By all means use air staplers, they're brilliant. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget, you subscribe. Subscribe.